Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check your IMEI number on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to check your iPhone IMEI number without the iPhone pack, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check your IMEI number on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Once you selected general, locate and click on about under general. Then scroll down. You should see your IMEI number under career, and then you should see the available SIM IMEI number. If your phone supports eSIM and you have eSIM activated on your iPhone, then you should also have the eSIM under available SIM, and then you're good. So that is basically how to find IMEI number on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.